Hello, guys. Welcome. This is Set to Achieve, and today I'm going to be talking to you about um, how to make money online and the processes that I was missing that was making it really hard for me to be able to be successful online. Okay, so my name is Noye. I'm a digital marketer, and since 2009, I had been struggling to make money online, and this was prior to my when my youngest daughter was born. Okay, she's 14 now. Okay, so what am I saying? I was struggling because I did not have the processes in place. Okay, in order to grow your online business, first and foremost, you need structure. Okay, and that is why the six-figure blueprint, which is the program or the processes that I'm following right now, is the right one, because you need a process. You need to know exactly what you need to do each and every day. You need structure. Okay, think about it. When you are trying to build a house, do you have a structure in place to build that house? Yes, you have a structure. The pillars, what is the foundation, what are the drywall or this or that. All of those things matter. They factor in, how many acres, or how many, what is the size, and everything. Is it going to be a finished basement? Is it going to be an unfinished basement? Like, all those things have to be put in place, okay? So that you don't just start building, with no plan in mind. So that is exactly what happens to you when you start trying to do something, especially building an online business. Now, this is not a brick and mortar business. This is an online business, okay? Where you can connect with customers all over the world. That is big. Okay, so in order for you to be able to do this successfully, you need a structured plan. I was missing that, and that's why I was struggling so hard. Secondarily, okay, so number two, you need an automated system. Please, if you haven't already, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share, because I do want more people to be able to come in and listen to what I have to say. Okay, you need a system to make it automated. Okay, and in that way it becomes passive. Okay, so with the blueprint, you have an automated system that actually comes with the plan or the program, the system. Okay, and the automated system actually makes it easy for you to connect with your perfect customers. Okay, now how does this work? Okay, so each and every day we get three pieces of content ideas. Okay, and that's actually what they tag the 90-day challenge. And when you come in, you will be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so we also have a community of people that are like-minded, all doing the exact same thing. And that's one of the things that I was missing in the past, because I was lonely trying to make money online. I saw there were affiliate marketers, some digital marketers. People were saying a lot of things. People were talking about ClickBank. People were talking about, pick a niche that, that will be lucrative. And, there's a lot of things that people were saying, but nobody was leading me to exactly what I needed to do, okay? Because I was lacking the education, okay? So there's an automated system that actually allows us to be able to make money online. Why? Because when you create your pieces of content, okay, and you have the call to action that you're taught with the system, okay? The call to action is what actually allows you to have your perfect customers raise their hand and say yes. Things like say yes, or type 1 or type 2 if you want to learn more about what I'm saying. Okay, so you need that automated process. You need that call to action. And then, like I was talking about the community, you need to have support. We have a community of people that right now we're at 3,000, okay? And we're growing very rapidly each and every day, okay? And these are people from all walks of life. People that some of them are engineers, some of them are stay-at-home moms, single dads, different people from all walks of life. So another thing that is very vital is being coachable. In order for you to be able to build your online business, you have to be coachable, meaning that you have to be open to the education that is subscribed for you for that system, program, or course. Okay, so when I came across this blueprint, I realized that, okay, there's some things, because I've purchased a lot of programs and courses, but obviously there was something missing because I'm not exactly where I want to be. maybe it's my mindset, maybe it's a structure or something that I'm not doing. And then I learned about the 2-hour workday, okay, with this blueprint, okay? I've always heard people online saying that you can make money online with 2 hours, working only 2 hours a day. But what did that 2 hours a day consist of? What are the things that I could be doing that would allow me? Who wouldn't want to make money working 2 hours a day? I'm a single mother, and I had quit my 9 to 5 as a registered nurse in 2011. I became a registered nurse in 2011, but I had quit like a few years later because I was not feeling fulfilled. It was not my calling. Okay, a lot of people go for these professions because it looks good, it sounds good, or it'll please family members because that's just what you guys do in your family. Okay, but if it's not your calling, God did not call you to do that thing. You're going to be frustrated. So you have to be willing and open to learn the new things that will make you to be successful. Okay, and for me, the 2-hour workday consists of waking up in the morning, doing my prayers, and then after that, taking my shower, getting myself prepared to put out my content. Okay, and then once my content is put out, typically the short form, like things like TikTok, and then I then repurpose that content on sss.io, sssstick.io. I repurpose this then in like Facebook Reels, and then I have a Facebook business page as well. And that is my workday, and then I go live for an hour or sometimes a little bit less on TikTok. Okay, so just having a structured plan in mind, and following that system, no matter what happens, whether it's raining or snowing or whatever is happening, if unless the sky is falling, we're gonna follow that plan. Okay, so having a plan and then sticking to it is also very, very important. And then you learn about your target audience, okay? Because when you're speaking to everybody, really, you're speaking to nobody, okay? So another thing that I learned actually as part of my blueprint was, who is my target audience? Who am I actually, when I'm making my videos, when I'm doing my things, creating my content, who am I speaking to? Who will relate best with what I'm saying, okay? Who will I connect best with? And who would connect best with what I'm talking about? How can I reach out to the pain points of my target audience, my perfect customers? Because mind you, people are buying online each and every day. So it's not, so there's no lack of resources in terms of people buying, and everything. But the thing is, are you able to connect to those people? Okay? They're not discovering you because you're not putting out the right content. Okay, so those are some of the things that I discovered when I learned the blueprint, okay? And it actually just reshaped my journey, okay? It reshaped my journey, to be something that okay, you know what? This is something that is achievable, okay? If I stay focused and follow this thing, regardless of what it is that happens, I just have to stay focused, stay consistent, doing the same thing each and every day. I will see results, So when I changed my mindset and decided that, I'm going to stick through this thing for at least a year and see what happens, okay? Then I started seeing progress, okay? So I just wanted to just put this out there. I'm going to leave a link in the description to my automated system, so it is going to have a link. So once you click on that link, it'll show you to my email. It'll have you put in your best email and take you to my email list, okay, where you're gonna get automated emails from me. It doesn't matter what time of the day that you're watching this video. When you decide to put in then you're gonna hear more from Michelle, who's our mentor, and hear more about what she says about the blueprint. You're gonna get automated emails, and you click on the link, it'll take you to a video, and then you're gonna hear more. And then if it's something that you think will be beneficial for you, you can go ahead and click on the link in the email, because there'll also be another link that will lead you to the sales page, so you can purchase. What am I selling? I'm selling done for you digital products, okay? I'm selling the $50, which is the brand marketing, the $150, which is the elite, and then the $300 Pro plan, Pro, which teaches you more about online marketing, TikTok marketing, and all the rest. Okay, so I just wanted to just put this out there because I know there's a lot of people, families, busy people all over that are struggling to make money online, but they just didn't have the right structure, education, and plan. And that's why they were struggling, just like me. So I want to help as much people as possible. And that's why I wanted to go ahead and put forth this video. So make sure you like, you subscribe, you share, and all the other good stuff, okay? And click on the link in the description so that you can learn more about our blueprint, okay? God bless you. Till next time.